Hi guys, this is some HD Gaming with my new 40,000 coin pack opening. Hope you like it, like and subscribe, thank you. Hi guys, this is some HD Gaming and welcome to my second pack opening. This time it's going to be 40k pack opening, so let's get straight into it. Right, it's a pretty decent pack, but it's not the best, but yeah. On to the next pack, guys. Let's watch this one. Come on. Ronaldo, Messi, Neymar. You gave me fucking Carrick. You having a bubble. Wow. Did I get any duplicates here? On to the third pack, guys. Come on. Right, give me Neymar or someone. Come on. I'm gonna skip this. Why? Right, it's getting better. I got Michu, but Michu's still dog. Let's just put all these in my club. On to the next pack, guys. This is the fourth pack, I think. Let's skip this one as well. Got Gibbs, but he's not better than. Right, well, I'm getting so many duplicates now. Fifth pack, guys. Oh. Right. Vidal! Yes! Right, we got a good player. Finally. You can go to something. I think this is the sixth pack, guys. Should we skip it? Yeah, I think we should skip it. Right. We got Van der Vaart. Right, at least we're not getting rubbish players now. Just go, oh, no. Wow. We got no duplicates. That's a first. Right, second to last pack. And then we go to the 3 gold packs. Mertesacker. Andros Townsend. Oh, that's a good pack. That's a really good pack. Bit rubbish pace, but still a good player. Store all these club. Quick selling. You gonna eat? Please don't say he froze. Oh, right. Thank God for that. Right, final pack, guys, and then it's on to the 3 gold packs. Okay. How tall is he? 6 foot. Right. Right. On to the 3 gold packs, guys. Hi guys, and we are back, and we have 8 free gold packs to open. So let's get started. Probably won't get any decent people in this pack, so yeah. Hopefully we do. Right. Quick sell the rest. Right, next pack. Messy pack. Hopefully we get fucking messy. Yeah. Oh. Oh, right. Pretty decent pack. For a free gold pack, that's pretty decent. See how much he's going for. I'll just discard him. And for the next pack, guys, 6 packs left. Skip it. We've got David Luiz. That's a good pack. He's got another. I think he goes for a 3k or something like that. I think so, anyway. Pretty facey pack. 3k. Get rid of the rest of the pack. Might have 2 more got packs to open after this, guys. Alright, this is the 5th. I don't know what pack this is, but let's skip it anyway. We got Crouch. Crouch, 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 crouch. Crouch, you get quick souls. Crouch, crouch. And 9k. How many packs do we have left? We have 4 packs left. Come on, give me a man a match. Come on. Alright, okay. Okay. Not had a bad pack yet, guys. Pretty good. Oh, I don't want you. Looks like we're going to be opening another 2 World Cup packs and 2 free gold packs, guys. No, don't do this now, please. Where have my packs gone? No. Oh, come on. Oh, please not freeze. Right. Wait until we connect. Right. Let's get back in. Hopefully, my packs are back. Which is really annoying because I had 3 gold packs in there. Yeah. Right, we'll try one more time, guys, but if this doesn't work, then I'll upload another video later opening the last 5 packs, yeah? Alright, come on. Fingers crossed. Please work. Come on. Come on. Well, guys, we're going to be uploading the rest of the video later on, so please like and subscribe. The part 1 of this video, it'll mean a lot to me, and we'll be giving a free player away next week. Thank you, hope you enjoyed the bloody video. Sorry about the EA servers, guys. Part 2 of the video will be uploaded later on. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.